Hello my dear friends, I'm back with new video. After my last video on YouTube, I got many messages from my friends and they were asking Nishal tell us how to do data entry, how to create data entry form. So I decided to make a video and this video is for you guys. Creating a data entry form is not a big task. It's a very easy. You can do that in MS Excel or you can do that in Google Sheet or you can directly use SPSS to enter data. So it's your choice, but I prefer to use Google Sheet because it's very user friendly. Okay, so let's begin. I just logged in Google Sheet. So here is my Google Sheet. So suppose you are going to do a cross-section study and you need to collect data on patient's demographic like age, sex, marital status, and blah blah. So so what you need to do is you just open this Google Sheet and then start typing the variables. The patient age, sex, height, weight, all these are called variables. Okay, so start writing from just click over it and then type hospital ID and you can write sex, age, sex. uh, in my view, getting the patient's name is unethical, so I just wrote hospital ID. And in this in this section about sex, what you can do is you just click over here on the topmost box and then click right of your mouse, and then you can go down over there and you can find drop down box, drop down option, and then you just choose it. And then you know what you can do is just you keep on adding item. So here I have written 6 and then you can choose to add another item and then write male, and then again add another item and then write female, and then again choose another one and write others. Okay, and what you can do is you can change the color also, you can add a color also. Okay, so you can add color, this color to 6 and red color to male. It looks very good. The presentation would look very good if you put color. Okay, so see, it's looking very nice. So similarly, if you want to add marital status, just click over the top box and again click right side of the mouse and then go down below until you find this drop down option and then choose it and then type marital status. And then in second option you just go and write single and then add another item, married, and then choose another item and then write divorced. And then you can change color, so you can choose any of the colors. It looks nice. So you can choose heading as marital status, and the patient is single, then you can choose single. If the patient is male, you can choose male. Okay, so in this way you can create data. So it's not difficult task, it's very easy task, my dear friends. So in this way you can create data sheet. Okay, so thank you guys. So this much for today's video. Thank you. Have a